Hi, I'm Jesse with Texas Hardwood Flooring, and welcome back to another episode of The Floor Whisperer. Today, we're tackling a project that came to us through a trusted general contractor referral partner. This home originally suffered water damage, and after that, a new, unfinished, engineered hardwood floor was glued down. Unfortunately, the previous flooring company applied 5 coats of polyurethane when the National Wood Flooring Association guidelines call for only 2. So it was critical to get this job done right. Upon inspection, we discovered some boards had wormholes that needed to be replaced. To repair this, we carefully removed the defective planks, cleaned off the old adhesive, and installed the new unfinished planks. For extra strength and seamless fit, we applied adhesive not only to the bottom of the planks, but also to the tongue and groove connection for added strength. Once the prep work was complete, sanding began. We started with a coarse grit sandpaper to level the surface and remove the old polyurethane and stain, being careful not to remove too much wood from the wear layer. That would allow for future refinishing should the customer choose to change the color one day, or if they decided to sell their home and the new owner wanted to change the color. Sanding continues with medium and fine grits sandpaper to prepare the floor for the finish. The large drum sander sands the main areas of each room. The edger works along the walls where the big machine can't reach. This sanding process ensures a smooth and uniform surface across the entire floor. This homeowner wanted to recreate the floor's original color. To achieve this, we created samples directly on the floor next to the old shade that was left behind for comparison. Once the color was approved and signed off on, the homeowner had to decide between a satin or semi-gloss finish. To match the original color, we created a special custom blend of 1 part golden oak and 5 parts oil-based polyurethane. This formula gave the floor the exact color the client envisioned, and they were thrilled with the end result. With the sanding complete, we applied the first coat of polyurethane with the custom stain blend, and after it cured, we screened the surface to ensure proper adhesion before applying the second coat or final coat of polyurethane. The result, a flawless, beautifully restored hardwood floor, and most importantly, a very happy homeowner. I'm Jesse with Texas Hardwood Flooring, and this has been another episode of The Floor Whisperer. Thanks for joining us on this project. If you found this helpful, be sure to share it with family and friends who might need expert hardwood flooring solutions. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.